Ghana this year, my mum na kwaba ediba 7DSGH television eso. Eni jide mu nsemu bia yen sakana na wotwe no mu ena mo somfo. Mesia Felicia mebe kenkan na wotwe ewie ye kase ebo no mu ede amamu. Samesha ase dia no me de fi eye the Davy hitmaker me kire Miss V akache. Enfie wotwe ni a Miss V eni Links Entertainment ye ejuma bo mu no afei de empapemu aba omontem. Emra Miss V eji akwama tintintin bi no Ghana fo bi ekeka se eyade a one ni label mate num bi enya entawantawa ebi nso ekeka se one ni label mate num baako na afefuro nti na ope se ode ne ho ekote wei enam so ama Miss V akruchire atwerede tintintin bi ne yopoto kasemu ye frɛ no press release a ode kire ne enti a ode akwama tintin no eni ne enti a one Links Entertainment intimu atete.
A little over a year ago, I took a sabbatical leave from active music and there were lots of rumors surrounding it. I had only taken a much-deserved break to re-energize, get in touch with myself and redefine my artistic expression in a way that allows me to give my best to my fans. These 8 years with Links Entertainment have been absolutely delightful and a blessing, and I am glad we still hold our relationship regardless of our decision to part ways. I am eternally grateful. In this regard, kindly note that all bookings and business enquiries should be communicated through my official channel, my official business email, the new management number and my social media handles. A heartfelt thank you to Richie Mensah. You will always be a big brother. To the entire management and my label mates, you've always been amazing and I couldn't have wished for better foundation and a launch pad for my career. Thank you, Miss V.
Ebusia for Miss V press release nechino ena Links Entertainment and so a release press way.
We are aware that fans of Miss V and Links Entertainment have understandably had many questions about Miss V's year-long absence from the music scene. This has been due to the fact that after years on the road, Miss V needed some personal time. Over the course of the year, the two parties, Links Entertainment and Miss V, have had time to reflect, peruse and review the work done over the past years. We wish to announce that after 8 years of a very successful working relationship, Links Entertainment and Miss V are parting ways. Links Entertainment is proud of the woman we have watched Miss V grow into as her brand has soared from strength to strength. It is important to state that the two parties have separated amicably and will continue to support each other. We would like to thank Miss V for her hard work and dedication throughout our epic journey together. The Links family will continue to wish Miss V well as she heads into a new chapter of her life and will always support her in all her endeavors. Thank you. Links Ghana Limited.
Sametwa enijide mu nsem no so a na mebo e de ewura Nigeria man mu. Nigeria nyumtuni bi anidi e de Burna Boy, the ladies lover, the ladies man. Burna Boy a wagidi e wo oman no mu nyina. Burna Boy ase yante ne nka e wo afi mu a anka Ghana, Nigeria, eni wiase me kire Africa nyina anka edinjan. Burna Boy e de ne to okopiem e wo Atlanta. Na emra na obo ne show no. Ohun abrantie bi a na Burna Boy se abrantie ne nimu enya rekekere kra. Enti no oyisika abrantie ne etua ya ansa na ode ba ne concert na so no e de hye ne nsa. E na ofre security ka security mesre wa escort abrantie kwa abonten ma me na onko fie nkoda. Ankosi wa osanso export abrantie fufuro bi no bi sansa abrantie aden na waye weni mu sase ayo osa fashion show ne ebe ne hanum ana na wabegina ha hwe menim sa mesre wa ebe ya akọ ekire kono ko gina ekire ho na wonum a ebe bo age me so ama me mora ama ma perform ama me fans nyina eni age na omoni age omgo yie no omo megina enim ha no mo bonje me so empenifo se ka akum ye gina okuokuo enum enti no sei e na Burna Boy e kan ase ho no.
Go. Alright, go. I'll stop this guy from this place, please. You guys are having me. This guy too, you in green. Why are you here? Hello, you. Why are you here? Because of you. Okay, excused. Security, carry this guy come out from my front. You can go to the back though. You can't stay in the front. The front is strictly for my normal die-hard brand broadcast. Everyone has been working with me. Everyone that understands what the fuck I'm doing this for. Everyone that sees my sorrow, my sweat, my blood, my tears, that I put into this music, that I for God. I do this shit for you from the bottom of my heart. I don't come here to play. So if you want to come and do a fashion show, you want to stand and look at me, go to the fucking church. You understand? So my brother, please, I know your face is not encouraging me.
Abusianfo na me gina enigide mu nsam yi so na me de enigide mu nsam ni na aba na wieye me sore so ama me nua be ma na e de agodie mu nsam atoa kase ebo no eso me di ameje so a ene Mesia Felicia medam ase makram.
Ghana adishe mo bibiara akwaba ereba 7DSG80 so agudi mu sama ya bobo na otwumuni na ena emre asose ereba tu amso e wakase boy so midin eri Isaac Essien then sha se MVV Ghana Black Meteors akachi on last round of qualifiers no first round no etodwa ewo the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium. Second leg, etodwa ewo all just Montano so honom and a Meteors show GF4 Kabako and Momentimi anti. Timinu kase Ghana are qualified on 2-1 aggregates. Abeko Ekupio Egypt and the 23 African Cup of Nations na Ebeko Sono. Yanko share the highlight of the game. Ebusian for you and anti entom our boxing sensemu. Isaac Brahma Kamuku, aka Bukom Bankun, and we winning the first international bout of UK Montano so our Biaya, your fellow St. George's Hall, a honum, and I can see we etoja. On the third round, Pepe and a Bukom Bankun, a Hungarian international, and the Ferenc Albert Esho from Poker Crowd, referee no a bono. When Timmy and sorry engineer and also and to a Kensi so. And Timino Kasi, Bukom Bankun, a WBO champion. Yanko Hay, send about in AC Echoe.
Koshima Musu, a man here, Nakai. Nakai,
Ebusian for a friend of my yanti entum our man and semu. Olivier Giroud, French international, and all that to just on Tiase, so could pay more France national team no and your moment striker. No so Danny edition with Chelsea. Frank Lampard, a born as a second choice striker, also on Tiase into this season. Bako Kodene, now a Juman Dene, waiting and be a main striker area Chelsea Bobo Kun. Giroud, Eddie and some etuja.
Yeah, I'm very frustrated when I'm not on the pitch, but I just don't want to show it. I mean, when you're a competitor, when you've been through difficulties all through your career, you need to keep that frustration for you and transform it in energy, positive energy, if I can say, on the pitch. But trust me, I'm not happy to play the second role. So that's why, I said next year I will need to have a